In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently transfer your product data from Wix to Shopify using the Matrixify app. This process will be particularly helpful if you're in the process of switching platforms and want to ensure a smooth transition without losing any valuable product information. First, let's navigate to your Shopify homepage. Once you're there, locate the Apps section. This is your go-to place for finding tools that can make your life easier on Shopify. Within the Apps section, use the search function to find an app called Matrixify, or a similar data migration app if you prefer. Matrixify is highly regarded for its ability to handle bulk data transfer between platforms seamlessly, reducing both time and potential errors during migration. After you find Matrixify, you need to initiate the installation process. Click on the Install button and follow any additional prompts to install the app fully. Sometimes apps require a secondary confirmation, so don't be surprised if you have to click Install again to complete the process. Once installed, you'll have a new tool at your disposal to help with transferring your product data. The next step involves handling your current product data over on your Wix account. Log into your Wix dashboard and head straight to the Products section. This is where all your existing products are stored. Look for an option to export your products. Typically, this will download a CSV file containing all your product information such as titles, descriptions, prices, and more. This step is crucial because it allows you to package up all your valuable data into a single file that's ready for transfer. Now, let's return to Shopify where you have Matrixify already set up. Open Matrixify and look for an option to add a file. This is where you will import the export file you've just downloaded from Wix. Go ahead and add the file here. Depending on how many products you're transferring, this process might take a bit of time. The app will assist in making this data compatible with Shopify's system, thus ensuring that product titles, images, and descriptions are all correctly mapped and displayed in your new Shopify store. This method streamlines the migration process, allowing you to focus on perfecting the look and feel of your new online storefront. By using Matrixify to transfer your products from Wix to Shopify, you can avoid the manual process of inputting data, saving you effort, and significantly reducing the risk of error. We hope this guide has provided a clear and effective strategy for transferring product data from Wix to Shopify. Make sure to follow each step carefully to ensure a successful migration. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your new Shopify store.